Welcome to Gardening with Friends. And we're back to our neighbors. Last fall we created this beautiful flower bed next to the garage. The only thing that was missing, we wanted to incorporate this stump. And I found this beautiful clematis, this boulevard series. We're gonna plant it next to the stump so it can climb the stump and cover it with blooms. And it's supposed to bloom all summer. Really looking forward to this. Hey Marcus! Remember how we worked on this flower bed? So good to have you. Marcus and I are ready to put clematis. We prepared this tiny flower bed, and we're thinking to plant 2 clematis so they can kind of hug and embrace this stump and be beautiful all summer long. Let's get to work. Ready? Yeah, this is mine. Marcosita. Marcus. I actually gonna plant it over there. Hey bud, you like it instead? You're not gonna grow and cover this stump. Marcus. Oh yeah, I have to take a break because I can't work like that. It's just so hard. Marcus obviously has his own ideas how to deal with clematis next to the stump. So we dug a deep hole. Because clematis actually like to be planted deep. And I'm eating some bioton starter. Mix it with soil a little bit. And ready to plant. So, well, I think it's pretty deep. Okay. It's actually next to the stump, and hopefully we'll plant here. Now we're just gonna do next to the second one, right here in this space. Like maybe here. Maybe here? No. All right, so I wanna dig too deep, maybe here. Let's see. Oh, nope. Oh, bummer. know, guys, always weeds are vicious, so we're just gonna use for now paper to help a little bit to contain weed growth, and we'll put mulch on top. We're done with the planting. I think it looks good. I mean, ideally, I would love to put the second clematis closer to the stump. There's just no way because of the roots. One last thing to protect clematis from critters. We have so many bunnies in here. I caged it, so hopefully it will help it to survive and climb the stump. Marcus is checking out final touches. What do you say, buddy? Happy gardening!